Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and keeping safe at home. Today I would like to share a very memorable moment. The moment we all come across once in a lifetime. That moment is when we all passed class 12 and became alumni or alumnae for previous school. We realized then that how well we nurtured in our school, how well we groomed, how well we taken care of. Just due to the hardships and sacrifices made by our mentors, we achieved a goal we dreamt of. For the same, I thought of to connect with Rohit Kinha, IIT JEE topper of 2020, who scored a 283 category rank and made a mark for RPS Rewari. You all must be fortunate enough to know that he ascribed his victory to all his faculty members of RPS Rewari, especially to Mr. Manoj, Mr. Jindal and Mr. Lalit. He thanked Principal Sir and the whole management for persistent support. Let's listen directly to Rohit Kinha for the same.
I am Rohit. I am currently doing BTech in Computer Science from IIT Ropar. I cleared JEE Advanced in 2020 and I secured a category rank of 283, and for that I sincerely want to thank RPS Group of Education. I joined RPS in 9th class, and from then on I faced many failures and success, but most importantly, throughout this journey I learned a lot at every stage, and all my coaching teachers, Manoj sir, Lalit sir and Jindal sir, all were very supportive and helped me in every possible way they could. They sacrificed their holidays for taking our extra class. They motivated all of us throughout this 2-year journey, and what you as an aspirant have to do is basically trust them the most, have faith in them, and being honest to yourself and be regular in your studies. By doing this only, you will definitely achieve what you aspire for. And I also want to thank the management, staff, especially Neeraj sir, my bus driver, conductor and every person who was with me in this 4-year journey. At last, I want to thank our Honorable CEO sir, Manish sir, for being so supportive, providing the best facilities he could and motivating all of us throughout this journey. He visited the campus frequently and motivated all of us on our result, and always boost us to increase our capacities to study more and more. And at last, thanks RPS.